Hello friends. Today we are going to learn the difference between a little, a few and few. We will use real examples with apples, books, chairs, water, sugar and milk. Part 1. A few and few. Countable. Picture 1. 2 apples and 2 girls behind them. There are a few apples on the table. This means 2 apples are enough for 2 girls, 1 apple for each. Not too many, not too few, just enough. Positive meaning. Picture 2. 2 apples and 3 girls behind them. There are few apples on the table. This means 2 apples are not enough for 3 girls. Someone will not get an apple. That's why we say few. Negative meaning. Picture 3. 2 books on the shelf and 2 girls near them. There are a few books on the shelf. This means 2 books are enough for 2 girls, 1 book each. Positive meaning. Picture 4. 2 books on the shelf and 3 girls near them. There are few books on the shelf. This means 2 books are not enough for 3 girls. Negative meaning. Picture 5. 3 chairs and 3 girls behind them. There are a few chairs in the room. This means 3 chairs are enough for 3 girls, 1 chair each. Positive meaning. Picture 6. 2 chairs and 3 girls behind them. There are few chairs in the room. This means 2 chairs are not enough for 3 girls. Someone will not sit. Negative meaning. Part 2. A little and little. Uncountable. Picture 7. A bowl with a little sugar and a cup of milk tea. There is a little sugar in the bowl. This means the sugar is not much, but it is enough for 1 cup of tea. Positive meaning. Picture 8. The same small amount of sugar, but a whole pot of tea. There is little sugar in the bowl. This means the sugar is too little for such a big pot of tea. It is not enough. Negative meaning. Picture 9. A cup full of milk. There is a little milk in the cup. This means it is enough for 1 person to drink. Positive meaning. Picture 10. A cup with only a small amount of milk. This means it is not enough even for 1 person. Negative meaning. Important point. Few and a few. Little and a little. They are not only about quantity, they are about our need. If it is enough for us, we say a few or a little. If it is not enough, we say few or little. So, remember, a few equals some, enough, positive. Few equals not enough, negative. A little equals some, enough, positive. Little equals not enough, negative. Practice with apples, books, chairs, water, sugar, and milk at home. English will become easy for you.